I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to share an Amazon gift receipt. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Have you ever wanted to share a gift but without the price tag to give the recipient some flexibility? Amazon has just the thing, the gift receipt. In this video, I'll show you how to share an Amazon gift receipt, ensuring your loved ones can make exchanges if needed without seeing the price. I'll show you how to share an Amazon gift receipt using both the Amazon website and the Amazon mobile app. First, let's walk through the steps to share an Amazon gift receipt using the Amazon desktop website. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Step 2. Click to expand Accounts and Lists at the top of the screen and then click Orders in this menu. The Your Orders screen is shown. Step 3. Find the order you want to share an Amazon gift receipt for and then click Share Gift Receipt associated with that order. The Select and Send Gift Receipt screen is displayed. Step 4. Find the item you want to share a gift receipt for and then click Share Gift Receipt associated with that item. A window pops up with a link you can share and send to someone that will give them a gift receipt. Step 5. Copy the link in the pop-up window. Whenever someone opens that link, they will see this screen that says they have a gift. When they click the link, it will show them what your gift was. And from there, they can click Return Item to return the gift that you got them if they need to. Next, let's walk through the steps to share an Amazon gift receipt using the Amazon mobile app. Step 1. Open the Amazon mobile app and then tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. A menu is displayed. Step 2. Tap Orders on this screen. The Your Orders screen is shown. Step 3. Find the order you want to share an Amazon gift receipt for and then click to open that item. The information screen for that item is shown. Step 4. Scroll down to the Order Info section and then click Share Gift Receipt in that section. The Share Gift Receipt screen is displayed. Step 5. Tap Share Gift Receipt. The sharing menu pops up. Tap Copy to copy a link to the gift receipt, which should be shared with the person you gave the gift to. Whenever someone opens that link, they will see this screen that says they have a gift. When they tap the link, it will show them what your gift was. And from there, they can tap Return Item to return the gift that you got them if they need to. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.